All right, we have some big news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Right ahead of results day, here's big buzz over Congress, NC and the PDP's alliance. Mehbooba Mufti says we're open to an alliance, willing to support the Congress and NC if needed. NC patron Farooq Abdullah says ready to take PDP support too. Omar Abdullah countering the father Farooq says PDP hasn't extended or offered support. Omar Abdullah says and demands an end to all this alliance speculation, while father Farooq Abdullah says they are willing to take the PDP support. While we hear there's also buzz around PDP willing to support the Congress and NC if required.
अगर हमें जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी हम तब भी लेंगे, क्योंकि अगर हम लोगों ने चलना है इकट्ठे चलना है। इस रियासत को बचाने के लिए हमने सबने कोशिश करनी है। ये बड़ी मुश्किल में है ये रियासत और काम बड़े सख्त है। यहाँ के बच्चों का हाल देखिए, पढ़े लिखे, सबसे बड़ी बड़ी तालीमें दर बदर, महंगाई आसमान पे है। ड्रग मैनेस जो आज देखते हैं आप, उनकी हालत देखिए। सारे ठेके बाहर वालों के, आप रेत का एक चम्मच नहीं निकाल सकते।
Cutting across to our correspondent Mir Farid joining us live. Mir Farid, we hear that the PDP is now willing to offer support to NC and the Congress, while Farooq Abdullah has welcomed it. Omar Abdullah says we've never been offered. What's the correct stance here?
Well, right now what we can say is that the PDP is willing to be part of an alliance where the National Conference and then the Congress, which actually is the India bloc, if tomorrow post results and as the days of government formation come, if the NC and Congress need them, they are more than willing to come, join them, be it in the government or as an outside support. So that's what the PDP sources tell us, that since the bigger goal is to keep the BJP away, and for that the PDP is ready to come together with like-minded parties. Now, post the exit poll, one thing is clear, Nabila, that it's going to be a fractured mandate. It's going to be a hung house, and if that's the case, then obviously NC and Congress, to make a stable government, will definitely need the help from the PDP. Now, whether the PDP will join the government or it will support from outside is the question. But as of now, PDP has definitely come forward and said that they're ready to help. But National Conference obviously seems to be divided. Omar Abdullah says that let the day come, let the results be out, and then these things can be discussed. But Farooq Abdullah has a bigger plan. He has a bigger goal where he says that to save Jammu and Kashmir. Now, what he's trying to suggest is that in the last 5-6 years of centre's rule, Jammu Kashmir, the situation has gone from bad to worse, and it is about the people more than who forms the government. It is about forming a government to keep the BJP away and provide relief to the people. So that's what Farooq Abdullah is saying, and he has already said that he's more than willing to accept PDP if they want to really join hands with NC and Congress. So quite clearly, even before the results are out, already power sharing and allies coming together, all that talk is gaining momentum in Jammu and Kashmir. And since the NC and Congress could be close to forming a government, but to form a stable government, they'll need more numbers, and for that, they definitely would need parties like the PDP or independents or even the CPIM and NPP to come together. Nabila?
Thanks very much, Mir Farid, for joining us with those details.